At 6:47, we turn our attention to Washington, where a federal judge has partially blocked an executive order from President Trump requiring proof of citizenship in order to vote. Our Scripps News Group's Nathaniel Reed joins us now. Good morning to you. We know that there were some parts of the order that were blocked and others that weren't, a little bit complicated. So can you break this down and help us understand where things stand this morning?
Yeah, this was a partial win for some of the Democratic plaintiffs in this case. The judge, a Clinton appointee, basically said that the Trump administration is not really able to regulate elections federally, in part because that's a job left to Congress. Congress is currently debating a bill that would require proof of citizenship to vote in federal elections. Ultimately, the judge siding with the Democratic plaintiffs on that part of the decision, saying that it's up to Congress to make that determination. It will block for now any requirement from the Trump administration as part of that executive order to show that you are a citizen, to prove your citizenship in order to register to vote or vote in federal elections. So in that case, a win for Democrats. But in other cases, the judge refusing to block parts of the order that will allow the Trump administration to compare voter rolls from various states with immigration files to make sure that everyone on voting rolls is a citizen. Those would come from either the Department of Homeland Security. It also gives some access to the Department of Government Efficiency to look into some of those things as well. The other thing that was also not blocked here by the judge is the question over mandating tighter restrictions on mail-in balloting. So the judge in this case basically saying that it's not up to her to make the determination of whether states should be required to reduce their mail-in ballot times. That is something that's better left to a different judge and another decision. But to be clear, 19 states have sued the Trump administration over this executive order. So this is likely not the last we've heard, Aaron, on this issue. There's still much more likely to come, but a major part of this executive order for now blocked in court.
It's one of many issues it feels that we need to be watching by the hour. Anything could change. Nate Reed, thank you so much for your time live in Washington at 6:49. Now we have more news ahead coming up.